Hello everyone, welcome back to today's English shadowing practice. Listen carefully and speak with me. Try to copy my pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Don't worry about making mistakes, just do your best. Let's begin. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? How are you today? I'm feeling great today. I'm feeling great today. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. Every day I become more confident. Every day I become more confident. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Mistakes help me improve. Mistakes help me improve. I never give up. I never give up. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? I'm studying English. I'm studying English. Can you help me? Can you help me? Of course. I'd be happy to help. Of course, I'd be happy to help. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. What time is it? What time is it? It's almost 9 o'clock. It's almost 9 o'clock. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to the library. I'm going to the library. I love reading books. I love reading books. This book is very interesting. This book is very interesting. Opinionally adaptable? Could you speak more slowly? I understand you now. I understand you now. That's a great idea. That's a great idea. Let's work together. Let's work together. What would you like to eat? Yudhe bantu bintam languages that there is tola decidedly. I'd like a sandwich and some juice. I'd like a sandwich and some juice. The weather is beautiful today. The weather is beautiful today. Let's take a walk in the park. Let's take a walk in the park. I'm proud of my progress. I'm proud of my progress. I'm getting better at English. I'm getting better at English. Excellent work today. Keep practicing these sentences every day. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.